Assalamu alaikum. Hello YouTuber, it's Yusuf here from Yusuf Academy. Today is our series carry on math as supposed to be mathematics for GCSE and IGCSE higher level for grade 9 to 1. Today we are going to talk about the percentage. Percentage is one of the topic is the hardest one. We are going to deal with it, and we will talk the definition of the percentage, many questions such as percentage with calculator, percentage without calculator, percentage increase, percentage decrease, and the decay, compound interest, and all these problems, the relations between percentage, decimal, and fractions, how to convert from one to another. For example, if we say express 15 as a percentage of 50, 15 as a percentage of 50. What we're going to do here, we multiply this by top. To do that, we multiply in the top by 2, in the bottom by 2, and here by 100. So it will be equal 30 over 100 times 100, and the answer, this 0 cancel 0, and the answer will be 30%. For example, if he tell us there are 300 counters in a bag, and among of these counters 45 are green. We need to know what is the percentage, what is the percentage of the green counters among the 300. 45 out of 300 time 100. This 0 will cancel 0, and 45 divided by 3, it will be 15%. That is the way it works. Another way, write each of the following amount as a percentage. 54 out of 180. 54 out 180. We time it by 100. We make it as a fraction. That 0 cancel that 0. If we divide by 18 is 1. If we divide by 18 into 54, 3. 3 times 10, the answer is 30%. That is the way it works here. Let us have a look another percentage without using the calculator. For example, 50% is equal half. 25% is equal 1/4, and 10% equal 1/10. That means this 0.5, and this 0.25, and this 0.1. That's how to work in different way. For example, if he said what's 50% of 24? 50% of 24. Yeah, okay. It can work like that. It will be 50 over 100 times 24. 0 cancel 0. Yeah, and 5 times 4 is 5 times 4 is 20. 0 and carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 and carry 2 is 12 divided by 10. 0 cancel 0. The answer is 10. Is 10%. Yeah, that's it. Work is very straightforward. Yeah, if he said, for example, 75% of 20, 75% of 20, that will be is equal 75 over 100 times 20. 0 cancel 0. 2 times 75 is 150. 150 divided by 10. 0 cancel 0. The answer is 15%. Okay. This one and this one, we can do it in different way. What does it mean? If we have 24, 24%, what is the 10% of and this is 50%. Yeah, he wants 50%. 100% is 24. Yeah, 10% of 24, he wants 50%. 10% of 24 is 2.4. 10%. Okay, 2.4 times 5, it will give us 50%. 4 times 5, 20, 0 and carry 2. 5 times 2, 10 and carry 2 is 12. Decimal point after one place, it will be 12%. This one as well, 75%. He wants 75% of 20. We have 20 here. This is 100%. What is 10%? 10% of 20 is 2. Okay. And what is 5%? 5% is 1. Now, 2 times 7 give us 14. That is 70%. And 5% is 1. The answer is 15, equal the same answer here. So that is the way we can work out percentage without calculator. Okay, let's have another working percentage without calculator. For example, if he say work out 17% of 200, yeah, so it will be, that's equal 17 over 100 times 200. Yeah, the answer, this 20 cancel 20, and 2 times 17 is equal 34. Yeah, if he ask find 73% of 801, it is the same 73 over 100 times 801. We call the calculator. It will be first of all 73 divided by 100, it will be 0.73, and we times that by 801, and the answer is 584.73. 584.73. This is 73% of 801, and the job is done. This is if we trying to use the calculator. Percentage, we said the relation between percentage and fraction and decimal. If we have fraction and decimal, percentage, yeah, we have 3 columns. To change fraction to decimal or convert the fraction to decimal, we have to time by 100, yeah, time by 100, yeah. And if we want convert percentage to fraction or to decimal, we have to divide by 100. What does it mean? For example, if he said find the fraction equivalent to 300 over 20, which has 100 as a denominator. For example, if he said 3 over 20, yeah, 3 over 20, he wants the equivalent fraction, yeah. To make this 100, we have to multiply this times 5 to be this 100. If you multiply this by 5, it will be 15 over 100. And to change it to percentage, we have to time it by 100, so it will be 15%. So 100 cancel 100, yeah. Otherwise, something like that, write each of the following percentage as a decimal. 75%. To convert it to decimal, according to this rule, we have to divide from percentage to decimal, we have to divide by 100. So it will be 75 divided by 100 equal 0.775, yeah. For example, 2%. He said convert it to decimal. 2% to decimal. Yeah, that means 2 divided by 100 equal, after simplifying, it will be 1 over 50. And this one is a decimal, yeah. Now, if he said, for example, write each of the following fraction to as a decimal and as a percentage. For example, first one, 3 over 10. We make the division, 3 divided by 10. 3 divided by 10, does it work? No, 0, and we put decimal point. Now we add 0 here. 30 divided by 10, 3 times 10 is 30. We don't have any remainder. We take away. So the answer is equal 0.3. Yeah? To change 0.3 to percentage, we have to time it by 100. Yeah? The decimal point, it will has to go two places. So the answer will be 30%. What about if we have 1 over 8? 1 over 8, we divide, make long division. 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8, it doesn't work. 0 and decimal point, we add 0 here. 10 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. The remainder, by taking away, is 2. we add 0 again. 20 divided by 8 is 2. 2 times 8, 16. Take away, remainder is 4. We add 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Take away again, no remainder. 0, so 1 over 8 or 1/8 equal 0.125. To change that to percentage, 0.125 times 100, yeah? So the decimal point, because we're multiplying by 100, it will move twice, so the answer will be 12.55%. That is how the way working out. That's very easy one. Now answer you without using the calculator. 35 for each of the following pairs, write down which is larger. We have here 0.35 and 32%. Yeah, which one is larger? Which number is higher? To convert, either to convert this to percentage. If you convert this to percentage, it will be 0.35 times 100. It will give us 35%. That means this number is higher than this one. Yeah. Another thing, if he said 0.6, like for example 0.6 comma 7 over 10, which number is higher? Okay, to convert this to decimal, 7 over 10 is equal 0.7. So this number is higher than 0.6. 0.7 is higher than 0.6. So if we have group of numbers and he asked us to see which one is bigger, for example, he give us, if we have 0.4 and 2.5% and 1 over 25. And he asked it, put all this, which one in order, from the smallest to the highest. We need to put them either to decimal or to percentage or to fraction. The best way to put them to decimal. This one already is decimal. 2.5%, 2.5% divided by 100. So the decimal point is going to move twice. It will be 0.025. So it will be here 0.025 as a decimal number. 1 over 25, 1 over 25. To change it to decimal, we multiply in the top by 4 and in the bottom by 4. Yeah, it will be 4 over 100 and the answer will be 0.04. Yeah, 0.04, which is the smallest number is 2.5% is the smallest number. After that 1 over 25, 1 over 25, this is the second one, second value, and the third value is 0.4, is the highest number out of the three. This is the way we can work out to put the number in order or to convert one to another. Yeah. Now let us move more topic. We go percentage, decrease and increase. If he said increase, let us start with increase. Yeah, increase. he said increase 90 by 10%. By 10%. What we're going to do, we'll say 90 times 100% plus 10 over 100. That's equal 90 times 110 over 100 equal 90 times 1.1. Yeah, that's equal that is 0, and 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 1 is 9, and decimal after 1 place. So 90 to be increased by 10%, the answer is 99. Yeah. Another one, for example, he said increase 60 by 25%. 60 by 25% is increase as well. It will be 60 times 25 over 100, and here plus 100. Yeah. So the answer is 60 times 125 over 100. It will lead to 60 times 1.25. Yeah. That 0, we put it here. Yeah. And 6 times 5 is 30. 0 carry 3. 60 times 2, 12, and 3, 15. 5 carry 1. 60 times 1, 6, and 1, 7. Decimal point after 2. So it will be 75. So 60 to be increased by 25%. It is will be the answer is 75. Let's have decrease. Decrease, if he said decrease 48 by 75. This is 48 decreased by 75. How are we going to do that? It is similar, but instead of adding, it will be take away. 48 times 100 take away 75 over 100 equal 40 times 25 over 100. I make it easier to explain for you. 40 times 0.25. Yeah, that 0 we put it here. Yeah, 4 times 5 20, 0 and carry 2, 4 times 2 8 and carry 2 10, decimal point after 2. So 40 decrease by 75%, the answer is 10. Yeah. Let's have another question. 11 decreased by 70%. 11 decreased by 70%. It means 11 times 100 minus 70 over 100 is equal 11 times 30 over 100 is equal 11 times 0.3. Okay, it will be 3 times 11 is 33, decimal point after 1, so the answer is 3.3. 3.3 is the decrease of 11 by 70%. Let us have one of the big questions, topic question, like math word. He said, Roberto weekly wage is 400 pounds. Someone is named Roberto. His weekly wage is 400 pounds. 400 pounds, yeah? He said is decreased by 5%. Decreased by 5%. Mary Mary, her wage is £350, £350, and is increased by 10%. Increased by 10%. Yeah. Okay. Who now earn more? The question: who earn more? Who earn more? Yeah. First of all, Roberto decreased by 5%, so it will be 400 times 100 minus 5 over 100 is equal 400 times 0.95, and the answer, these two zeros of 400, we put them here, and 4 times 5, 20, 0 and carry 2, 4 times 9, 36, and 2, it will be 38, decimal point after 2, so it will be £380. This is the wages of Roberto after decrease, yeah, Roberto. What about Mary? Mary, 350 is increased by 10. It will be times 100 plus 10 over 100, and this equal 110 over 100 times 350. That's equal 350 times 1.1. 1.1. Okay. We use the calculator quickly, yeah. 350 times 1.1, and the answer is 385 pounds, equal 385 pounds. This is Mary's wages. So who is earning more? Of course, Mary earns more than Roberto. This is how the things work. Yeah. Let us look how about compound percentage change. Compound percentage change. We have like a question in different aspect or different way. We have say a colony of ants has set up home in Mr. Murphy's. We have colony of ants. Yeah. In Mr. Murphy's shed, on Monday there were 25 ants. Monday, 25 ants. Yeah. Okay. If the colony of ants grows at rate of 5% per day, how many will there be on Saturday? They grow with 5%, yeah? 5% per day. Yeah? The colony grows, yeah? Grows 5% per day. Okay? On Saturday, how many ants? This is the question. So we have Monday. From Monday we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 5 days. Every day 5%, etc. So, and the number of the ant 250. So we'll say 250 times 100 plus 5 over 100, all to the power of 5, because they are 5 days, yeah? And the answer, it will be 250 times 1.05 to the power of 5. Okay? We use the calculator here. Okay, it will be 1.05 to the power of 5. The answer is this, and then we multiply it by 250. It will give us 319 ants. Yeah, it's 319 ants because there is no decimal ants. Yeah, so that is on Saturday the number of ants in Mr. Murphy's shed. It will be 319 ants. Okay, compound decay. What is the meaning of compound decay? Compound decay, let's have one of the question. Depreciation. Find the depreciation of 550 pound, yeah, after 3 years at depreciation rate 3%. Depreciation rate is how much? 3%. 3% per annum. You want in 3 years. Yeah? Okay. What we do, we'll say 550 times 100 minus 3 over 100 to the power of 3 years. Yeah? That's equal 550 times 0.97 to the power 3. And the answer is, back to the calculator again, yeah, it will be 0.97 to the power of 3. The answer is this. And then we multiply that by 550, and the answer will be 501.97. 501.97 pound. So 550 is being depreciated by 3 years to 501.97, yeah, pound. Yeah, this is a question we normally use it in depreciation. Well, let's have exercise 20 deposits. 20 deposits, 3,250 pounds. 20 deposit, 3,250 pound into a saving account, earns 8.5% per year. 8.5% per year. Okay. How much will have at the end of the year? Okay. In this case, we'll say 3,250 times 100 plus 8.5 over 100. Just for the end of the year, that's equal 3,250 times 1.085. Yeah. Work out, it will be 3250 times 1.085, and the answer is, at the end of the year, Tony will get 3,526, 3,526.25 pounds. So he almost that is the increase of his money, from this amount of money to this amount of money. Okay. This is the percentage in the best way. We can have another example. Yeah, he said between 2000 and 2004 bank interest annual compound it was 2.5, and between 2005 and 2007 3.5. Calculate the value at the end of 2007 of £800 invested at the beginning of 2000. So 2000 is the amount of money, £800. 2000 to 2004, the interest is to be 2.5%. Yeah, and 2005, 2007, 2005 to 2007, the compound interest is being raised to 3.5%. Okay, so how much the money it will be in the end of 2007? First of all, we have 2000 to 2004. We have 4 years. It will be 800 times 100 plus 2.5 over 100 to the power, how much? 4 years, yeah? That's equal 800 times 1.025 to the power 4. And the answer is, by the calculator, 1.025 to the power of 4 equals, and then we time it by 800. The answer will be 883.05. 883.05 pound. Yeah, so 83.05 is the interest in 4 years. Yeah, after that the amount of money will be multiplied 883.05. It will be multiplied by 100 plus 3.5 over 100 to the power of 2. Yeah, is equal 883.05 times 1.035 to the power of 2. Yeah, so we use the calculator. We have this amount of money here, time 1.035 squared, and the answer is, it will be 945.95. 945.995 pound. This is the amount of money invested in the end of 2007. Two different rates. First 4 years 2.5%, and here 4 years, and here 2 years to 3.5%, and the 800 after 5 years become 945 pound point 95 cent. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for your watching, and see you